Hello, hello. Heavy rain in Singapore. The rain in Singapore is definitely getting more intense. So when you get rain like that, do drive carefully, don't speed, and check out whether the lights ahead are green before you move. Yep. It's like the rain suddenly started and it's really intense, Visibility is lower, so try to look out for cars and turn on your headlights and yeah, just drive cautiously, it still works. See how wet the roads are, like when a car crosses, look at that, the car on the right, lots of water being kicked up by the wheels. Yeah, look at just how wet the roads are. Now straight ahead it's a huge puddle. Watch as I go past it. Whoa, felt like a boat, man. Not sure why there was a puddle there. Maybe they should do something about the drainage, because I can imagine the puddle, well, if a motorbike goes past it or something, may not be very safe for a car. Okay, whoa, more puddles. Woo. Drive carefully, especially when the rain is so intense and you've got puddles everywhere on the road. Bye bye.